Welcome to GSMXCODE.com, your trusted platform for professional GSM tools, digital services, software licenses, and mobile repair solutions. Let's take a quick tour. Simply search for GSMXCODE.com on Google and open our official website. Our homepage is designed to help technicians and businesses quickly find the tools and services they need. Browse featured products, new releases, and popular categories all in one place. GSMXCODE offers a wide range of professional digital services, including GSM server services, mobile unlocking solutions, software activations, remote services, IMEI checks, game top-ups, gift cards, and much more. Need the latest software? Visit our download section to access official tools, installers, drivers, and utility applications required for supported services. Our blog keeps you informed with tutorials, service guides, product updates, industry news, and helpful technical resources for mobile repair professionals. Use the powerful search feature to instantly locate products, services, downloads, or articles. Create your free account to manage orders, access downloads, add funds, and enjoy a faster purchasing experience. Our secure checkout process makes purchasing fast and convenient, with multiple supported payment methods. Our dedicated support team is available to assist you whenever you need help with an order or service. Thank you for choosing GSMXCODE.com. We are committed to providing reliable digital products, trusted GSM solutions, and professional customer support for technicians and businesses worldwide. Visit GSMXCODE.com today and discover everything you need in one place.